Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a second brain system in Notion. A second brain helps you organize your notes, tasks, projects, and ideas so you can find information whenever you need it. So let's get started. First, open Notion and sign in to your account. From the left sidebar, click Add a Page to create a new page. Give your page a name such as Second Brain. Now, create the main sections for your workspace. For example, add pages for projects, tasks, notes, resources, and archive. To add a new page, type / and select Page. Next, create a task database by typing /table and selecting Table. Use this table to manage your tasks, priorities, due dates, and progress. Create another database for your notes, where you can organize ideas, meeting notes, research, and study materials. You can also add tags to group related information and make searching easier. If you want to keep track of ongoing work, create a projects database and link related notes and tasks together. To stay organized, add a dashboard that displays your important tasks, recent notes, and active projects in one place. As you collect new information, simply add it to the appropriate section so your second brain stays organized and easy to navigate. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a second brain system in Notion. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Notion tips, productivity tutorials, and workspace organization guides. See you in the next video.